Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chaitra with my team Harshita and Manya. Today, here we are to present computer networks, and the today's topic is all about dynamic routing. A routing technique is in which a router selects a path for transfer of data from source to destination. Here, we'll consider a router with zero point 0.1 next switches which are used to connect them from one PC to another PC. We need to take personal computers. Personal computers, namely 1, 2, and 3. In order to connect to the switches, we slowly take the pieces. Meanwhile, I'll tell you what is router. A router is a device that connect multiple devices over a server and switches that need to connect multiple devices in order to form the connection. So, the devices interact with each other. Now, we have taken all the requirement. Now we will connect them using the Ethernet cable for connecting them, and here we consider a cable for connecting PC to the router. And for switches to router, we use the same cable with fast Ethernet. Here we'll use serial cable and we'll connect to router. We need to configure PC and the cable. Consider the first PC with the label it with 192.168.0.0 at the IP addresses. It will be easy which we configure while we provide the IP addresses as well as configuration. As we configure it, so it can observe that each cable have given three different label that ends with 0.0, 1.0 and 2.0. After labeling them, now we consider each PC and configure it. As we use Ethernet cable that is used to build a strong connection between the PCs and the router, we connect the two router. We need to configure the PC and the cable. Consider the first PC, label it with the IP addresses 1.192.168.0. Add IP addresses. While adding the IP addresses, it will be easy for us to configure and will provide the IP addresses and it will configure it. So we can observe that each cable have been given three different labels which ends with 0.0, 1.0 and 2.0. After labeling them, now we consider each PC and configure it. Meanwhile, I'll tell you what is router and what is switch. A router is a device that connects multiple devices over a server. And what is switch? A switch is a device that connects multiple devices in order to form the connection so that devices interact with each other. For example, router and a PC. While we connect router and PC, a communication network should be built so that any message sent should reach the source and destination appropriately. Now let's check a message whether it reached the destination. Take a message. Let's see whether it's successful or not. The result of this operation is given below. Yeah, here it is successful. When I send a message from one PC to another, it is working, and this is how dynamic routing works. You can check the result of the communication network below. For now, for to connect PC and router, you need to take a serial cable. Now let's check whether the message sent from the message sent to the PC is received at the destination or not. Take a random message to check the result with if the system is working successfully or not. The result is displayed at the bottom. And take a random message that put it onto the PC. Let's check whether the message is sent from proper source to destination. You can find the results at the bottom, and here the message is successful, and I send a message from PC to another. And this is how the dynamic routing works. We have given three different labels which ends with 0.0, 0.1 and 2.0. After labeling them, now consider each PC and configure it. Now let's check whether it's working or not. Take a message and send from one PC to another PC to check whether it's successful or not. And here it is successful. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and comment.